That's how the relationship started. The whole thing of us working together started.
And then I end up ningene ematrasini.
Hayi man.
Nizongena njani ematrasini? Kwakubanda ngale mina qaba awuzigoduka.
Man, yes. Rapper don't read, bro.
Oh. Mhlabe ngubani kanti wafuna uread?
Hip hop right now in Cape Town is alive and it's breathing. The problem is not hip hop, the problem is artists. Respect your craft, respect what you do, respect the people that give you the chance, and respect time. Cela singaqhelani magrotman. Kamandi niyandazi. Akho mntu endibonqa naye. Ngiyaqhekeza.
Okay.
Ngiyaqhekeza lyrically, ngiyaqhekeza physically yonke la.
Hey ungabanjwa fundini.
Yeah. Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Sondela, Amela, yeah. Asiphatelo kuhle kudwangena. Usakala nganeno yangoba ufuna ukuphoswa yilento. Usiphatelo kuhle kudwangena.
Anazi noba ndenze njani noba must I start straight to big questions zabantu okanye zithi because yeah.
Awazininzi.
Not really. Ndiyabona ba abantu bakabikho
senze war.
Subane war. Asubane war. So but I when awunazo questions ezininzi.
Okay, good.
Yeah, questions zakho. But I don't know mhlambe kwicala lakho mhlambe kuwena uye wa-share and then kwakhona i-questions ezikwicala lakho.
Enye into ndingumkhuluwa so abantu abafuna ubuza nje nakanjani.
Ngoba
yeah, no, you can't.
Why bengafuni?
Awukwazi ubuza nje nakanjani.
Ngoba umkhulu wenzani?
Respect.
Yatsweba, uyabetha. Wenzani?
Ngiyaqhekeza. Ngiyaqhekeza.
Okay.
Lyrically, ngiyaqhekeza physically yonke la.
Hey ungabanjwa fundini. So base siqalele welula lezi vesikwazi because akuqala mna Mills I think dala ndizihamba izindawo yabo ndihambe a lot of shows ne then sange ndiyakubona uperform yabo and then zobona apha ngoku ba hey kuthiwa respect to Mills so njani kuthiwa I know i legend le ungadlali ngaye so mhlambe abantu abafana nami abangakwaziyo kakuhle mhlambe ungazicacisa mhlambe ba ngubani wena.
Okay, so Mills the first. I started out as Mills back in the day, yes, sessions emoyeni, back in the day, Yofandi. I'm the generation that comes after Ukhanyi, right? And if we are Kapela, back in those days, being a female rapper was not really an in thing, or it wasn't, it was intimidating. And being a female rapper was really intimidating. Not anymore. Because there wasn't a lot of female rappers. There was Ukhanyi, there was Mike Substance. I remember those were the people that I looked up to. And those are the only two female rappers that I knew back in the day. And I wasn't Mills the first, I was Mills. Mills the first is a new person.
Okay.
So I come from those days and I was kind of in the background and performing kwezo nezo events, depending on you know how intimidated I feel, because I used to feel very intimidated. I can't do inzima more than coming to an event udibane ne lineup of 20 guys and you're the only female rapper.
Wow.
You know? And then xa ufika udibane ne-MC to so uzawucula ntoni kaze asenzele ipoem. You know, asenzele ipoem. Already so boxiwe, you know what I mean? So before I gained my confidence, I started up there and only a few people who were close to me knew that I rap. I even wrote for a lot of guys. I'm not gonna mention names.
Yeah. No,
I
mention
wrote
it.
for-
But
no.
no, we're in a safe
Don't
space.
worry.
Hayi.
So I would be in studio.
Ndayazi uba ubhalele kakhulu for
For uba-
chaze.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
Oh, siyamsufaka engxakini.
Iyakufaka engxakini.
Yeah, asundifake engxakini. Uzathiwa ndiyi-hater. Asundifake engxakini. But yeah, so I helped a lot of rappers who used to come in a studio. I-studio sam back in the day was KwaChili Fly. I don't know if you know Chili Fly.
Yeah. Ndiyamvuthile.
So uCubic wabadwanguzeli introduced me to uChili Fly because uCubic was a friend of mine, and then he used to take me to the studio. Sifike afika amajita, you know, kube session, and at that time andikathi I'm a rapper. Like I'm not there yet, but amajita xa ebhala I'm like awuthi iwork la way khupha le lanto kufaka indawo ethile okanye sapha ndikubhalela u2 bars pa, and 2 bars would be like really dope. And that's how confidence yam started, because people would be like, hi man, uyabhala nje mfondini, why ungaraphi, you know? And I was singing then ndandicula like just singing. And then people will be like, why ungaraphi, you know? And then that's how it started. I think that's how the root of the whole thing started. Isithi yaplandwa pha, hayi man rapper wena. And then uFly said to me, Mills, hayi man mfundini yeka lento yokucula. Ewe uyacula like ucula kamandi, but your raps are way better. So how about urape? And it started there.
Okay. Kodwa ke yazi ubunoba yiyo. I think mhlawumbe andiyazi. Kodwa ubunoba yiyo i-best producer hlobo uthetha ngalo. Because i-producer yenza eli hlobo uthetha ngalo uba
Laser is teaching me to produce now.
Okay, but Laser lo kakumbhalele ndithi
No, Laser writes for himself. He's too dope.
ndiyaxoka ndathi uyabhalelwa.
No, it's too dope, yo. No.
Okay, singamuvanga apho. Ndiyakhala ba but xa sesimenshine uLaser masesingena kuye yabo kwenzela. And then udibana njani noLaser ke ngonisebenzisana, like unidibana njani noLaser? Nidibana mhlambe uyorekhoda kuye and then end up ke ngoku nisenza lento niyenzayo.
So I met Laser nge-31st ka-December. This is last of last year. Ndiya kwi-event ehostwa ngamaqaba eStrand. Ndihamba no-Esisiphaza Khazi. He's a friend of mine, and so ndigqibobuya. I just came back from a Swedish tour. Esisiphaza Khazi touches me by, yo, good December wenzani. I'm like, yo, ndibuya ku-tour. I'm like, you know, ndifuna relaxa. Like, no, kuki event eStrand. Don't you just want to come through? Uzawuthi decide if ufuna perform or not. I wasn't even on the lineup. So then we go to eStrand, kule event yamaqaba, and that's when uFoxy Soul introduces me to Laser, because Laser was Foxy's producer.
Okay.
Eguye, I think he produced uGosnofeng.
Okay.
Aka Foxy Soul. So Foxy is like, yo, this is Laser, this is my producer, and that's how we meet, right? And then from there, conversation starts. I'm like, I really need to hear more of your work. And then we end up, I think the next day, me no SK being a studio ku Laser, and then he plays a song for me that he says he's been having, I think for a year or 2 years or something, but akamfumani umtu, you know, to get into nguye no text legacy, and he wants the third person, and the song is called Ilanga. That's the first song with album yam, Isdriver.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, let me hear it. Dimamel, I'm like, no, Ima, give me a few minutes. Sapi pen and paper. I want to write quickly. So I write, and Fagi Vesi Amba. Now he's like, oh, wow, this is dope, man. So that's how everything begins. The song ends up being put Isdriver, and it's the beginning of Isdriver, because Isdriver has Ilanga in the beginning, Inyanga in the end. And that was strategic.
Okay. Then go what?
So that's how the relationship started. The whole thing of us working together started.
And then end up ngene ematrasini.
Hayi man.
Nizongena njani ematrasini? Kwakubanda ngale mina qaba awuzugoduka.
Man, yes. No. No, uLaser ndamphathela ngapha phansi kodwa ina Mills. Nangu umuntu wakho ububhanxa nobani ke abasa exist anymore, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, damnikwa ngabantu abadala. It's just one of those.
Okay. Hayi siyavuma. siyavuma nathi singabantu abadala siyavuma. Mamela ke ngoku pha ku Chillify ke ngoku uyayibona ke ngoku okay yana uyakubona ba ungakwazi ba ungarapper uthini. Then your first song ke ngoku.
My first song kwakukho I beat I think yayisetyenziswa ngoManingi dala sikulomdlalo.
Okay, yeah.
Asiboni chincho. So I get this beat and then andiyazi ba yabo. In fact, this was a downloaded beat, right?
Oh, yeah.
Down because back in the day, sasis download Mosi beats. So ndize nale beat ku Chillify. I'm like, I listened to this beat and I think dingenza something. My first song was called I Just Found Love. It was really dope. It was my first time.
Usakubula lyrics and no.
Should have been a fairy tale. I'm never one to kiss and tell. Njengomntana uqala ubona. Something like that. It was really nice. And then Ufla was like, yeah, you know. Then the emoyeni ke ngoku emoyeni zazisaziwa ngu-MZ sessions moyeni. I'm like ngizawuperforma le ngoma. Gqi ezi nazo zizawuperforma le ayazi and le ayazi yaziwa mos. So ndingena kuqala ndiperforme le way. And then uQ is like, hey, I don't know amajita how are they gonna feel because beating ngoku sendixelelwe ba yabo. I don't know amajita azawufeel ngene ndiperform la kanti izustop iperformance yami na inxa lonto le. And then after ndiphume stage uManingi comes to me ba yo hayi ibulele ntwana yochonga uyibulele and I was like hayi ke hayi rest is history. Ungathi uManingi ndiyibulele because babe ndiperforme nonsense bezawuthi ba ayikho lanto uqobo yenza.
Ngegeka la beat yabo. No ingcwele bingasoze.
So that was the first song I ever recorded. I think the second song was also with Q no sister wami Miss Sarah. We decided to form a crew. It was called Soul Provokers. It was me and my sister, and then we would feature uCubic in there, and then this is where my rap career started.
uCubic ngulona moswe badwangizela.
Badwangizela,
okay yani ngifuna ukwenza nje show because baninzi uCubic baninzi.
That's him. uQ and I grew up together. So Maniti, he kind of really influenced me getting into this whole rap thing because I always thought I was gonna sing because that's how I started. Yabo? I always thought I was. And then rap happened, you know.
Hayi ingene kahle because yabo balixesha la right ngoku lokungena ngeza melodies and ntoni ibe irap kodwa yona ila foundation
ibe neza melodies.
Yeah because ungangena ngokuthi usicimba uzobetha wena imelodies and ntoni ufanele kuba ayikho right because awuna foundation. Yeah
Strategic.
Ngoku mana lamajani and then mandithi ke ngoku njengoba sowumena lamadyani ke ngoku ngeyiphi le female artist yaqonda ba mhlambe ke kwezo zibalile mhlambe yangena stage before wena waqonda I don't think zawungena up
Khanya
P
eGoogs
always
yes, so we go to eGoogs and then I think it was my first time meeting her qala like udibana naye face to face. And then they get there and I'm like, yo, Losisi. Nasen Maz, you know what I mean? I'm like, yo, Losisi. And she goes on stage, fucks shit up. Proper. And I'm like, hey, mabansu.
not namhlanje.
Mabansu. But you know what she did? This I can never forget. Ukwehla kwabe stage. Because sasime apha ecani kwabo. I think ndandiya kwahamba noCubic futhi. Ukwehla kwakhe stage. They came, sangoma performance yakhe and ndamncoma and she's like, oh, are you gonna perform wenzani? And I'm like, hey, I'm a rapper, but hey, after what you just did, I don't think so. Wati, you're gonna go on that stage. So bendi lapha dipavela wena. Because if we are kule line up city so it go on that stage. Zawumapha mna ndipavele uzuqonde zawama ndiyomapha. I can never forget that because that for me really lifted me up like xa kusitsho uKhanyi hayibo and I went on stage hayi ke
because kaloku busofumene nalam
and she's there like she's watching me. It's like a dream, you understand? uKhanyi ulapha phambi kwam ubukele mna and she's like yo ndaqonda yo hayi jonga this is history. And for me that was it, you know. It also encouraged me to do the same for abanye abantu. You know what I mean? Because asikho baninzi as female rappers. And so you will find me there and there ubona ba uMills nanku nobani bani nanku nobani, because I'm trying to do what was done for me for abanye abantu, and it's very rare. Into odibana nayo ngoku ngubani abona omnye bayingathi wenza kakhulu kunaye, kubekho umona, kubekho intontoni. Oh, I can't.
Wow. And then Mills ke ngoku yonke kule minyaka so yenzi waqonda ba okay uzawudropha something, and then uqonda ba after udrophe le nto uzayidropha and then uzakwenza i-event yayo. Mhlambe lawa ezazinto uzifumene nini bani ngoku? I think ngoku ndi-ready for uba ndingenza le nto.
So what happened in 2013, I got approached to join, I don't know if you know Sounds of the South, hip hop collective, dope ass hip hop collective. Ndicela ngitakusta ba Mills, hayi man, ndanda ukubona umane perform. There's a hip hop collective called Sounds of the South. Awufuna ujoin i-Sounds. So baba ne-events mostly emakhaza, epakini at that time. So come and see our events, and then if you feel like uzaza, because babe banazo ne-screenings and stuff like that. So I go there, and their events are political F, right? And I'm like, yeah, I'm not getting with politics. I thought, you know. So I ended up manning siya kwezi events zabo. But the events zabo are different. They are not your ufike kwi event ubhalise uperform. No. Uyafika ubhalise uperform. Xa ugqiba performer, you are asked questions about the songs you just performed. So you can't go in there and just say, I got bitches and hoes, you know, I got the Lamborghini. Lamborghini. You know what I mean?
Okay.
And at the time, it was so annoying because I'm like, I didn't understand what they were trying to do. You know, they were trying to get us or artists to write about real things.
Okay.
Instead of us going there and say, oh, I'm hot, I've got these weaves and nails and whatsoever. Why unga rapping ala Vasco uvuke wahlamba kuyo? You know what I mean? So that you get more people abavuke bahlambe Vasco mean to actually relate eklendu palangayo. You know what I mean? So I joined Sounds of the South, and I think that's where my career really, really began.
Okay.
Because I joined Sounds of the South, I got to be workshopped about, you know, what is hip hop really and what is it's supposed to be doing. And then I got an understanding of what my talent is and what I can do with it. Because we seem to not differentiate what we can do with this talent. With this talent, I can build. But at the same time, I can fuck shit up. You know, I can write a song that destroys a lot of things, but I can write a song that builds a lot of buildings. So funeka differentiate ukwazi, and that's what I was taught, and that's where I really began. And then I went to African Hip Hop Caravan, which was around African countries. I went to Namibia, Zimbabwe, Angola, Arusha, Kampala, Mozambique. What didn't I count? Almost
zonke.
Almost every African countries, meeting with different artists, SEZ activists. And this is before I even called myself an activist. Uzanzolo was Sounds of the South. Who else was Sounds of the South? Ukrimino was Sounds of the South. Ujava was Sounds of the South. And these are rappers that are like rappers on their own now, but we met through Sounds of the South. And then I got to travel with these people. We got to go to a lot of countries before even going overseas. So career yami iqale apho, and that's when I started traveling, gone for 3 months, ndibuye ndizekase kuki events and perform. And I didn't even mind performing for free because I'm like, I'm getting money this side, so I'm good. You know what I mean? If kuki event and then people are like, Mills, come through. I'm Zofika and perform. And that's when Mills began. And from there, then Mills the First was born. Because I realized out of a crew, I needed to find my own place. I needed to be my own person.
Okay.
And it needed to make sense to me. Yeah, and then I decided I wasn't just Mills. No, I'm too cool to be just Mills. What you mean? You know what I mean? It needs something and a significance. And being Mills the First is not just an artist for me. Mills the First is a definition of the first person to break generational curses. I don't come from a good family. You know, I don't come from a good background. I come from a lot of baggage that I carried into my teen years, and then I got to shred as I go. So I am the first to do a lot of things, Akai. I'm the first to achieve a lot of things, but at the same time, I'm the first to challenge a lot of things that didn't make sense. And that brought me into the person that I am.
I-Sounds of the South bekuyintoni kanye kanye eyona nto ebifuna uyenza befuna i-achieve ngale collective uba idibanise abantu
Artist. So Sounds of the South is a collective made out of artists who are also activists, right? The aim is to show people that you can use umculo as a form of organizing, conscientizing, and educating abanye abantu, but also really fighting for the working class people. You know, so still are what is this word? English. We are anti everything that oppresses umntu who is working class. Woman, man, umntu omnyama to be specific, umntu that is in the township, umntu that is still trying to make something of the little that they have. That was Igoli Sounds of the South. And we sebenzisa umculo. There's nothing else. You know, umculo is like a love language for everybody. This is how we connect. And what better genre than hip hop? Because it goes to young people also, which means whatever we write, they're going to listen to it because it's hip hop. So whatever verses we write, we must make sure they talk to people. Okay. You know, umdu listens to Ivese, I mean, like, yo, whatever Mills is saying, I feel it. You know what I mean? So that was the aim, Sounds of the South. And we basically did that I was with Sounds for 10 years straight.
Is that gone?
Gone.
It
exists. It has new members. Thank God. It has new members, which means whatever we planted, iyaqhubeka. Right? And we lost a few members along the way. We lost Info, who was our producer. May he rest in peace. Nokusta, who is the main person that put me into Sounds of the South. They both died and we lost them, but we continued. And after I left, other people joined. So it continued. It still continues.
But the Sound of the South, it's not like a Durban United or something as artist as Chile as izamayo gatekeep ezinye.
No.
Okay.
It sounds didn't choose, like I said to you, we had Ozanzolo, we had Okremino, Ojava, Oban. It sounds invited artists who wanted to listen to a narrative yabo. Listen to what we're trying to build and actually find your own space within and then build with us. But if you feel like this is not me, then it's fine, you can leave. So it is open to everybody. Okay. And then I think we are the only collective that I know that shared resources, that shared information. If you look back, a few years back, we wanted to take artists to Colombia, and this includes Osamora Magwa, or Michelle, or Banman. We were doing something that was called Uqhagamshelwano, which is an artist residency with other artists as a Colombia that came up Apakuti. And you understand? So gatekeeping, never.
Okay.
Never.
Okay, bas ibe successful and ukwazi bani connecting nabantu outside of South Africa nezinye indawo. Ikhona funding okanye ikhona abaqoqozeleli abathile abakwaziyo ukuvula kwindawo ezivalekwe.
If I told you when I first joined Sounds, we did not have a single cent, people won't believe it. There wasn't funding. If funding besizikhangelela ngokwethu bra. We looked for funding. If we wanted to do a certain project, and then see as balo project, sifuna ubane tour nayo, for example, Freedom Warriors Volume 2, because when I joined Sounds, it was Volume 2. Sahlala phansi sabhala proposal sonke. Akho mntu kuthiwa ubani uphethe okanye ubani nguye uququzelayo or something like that. No, we all sit down, we all come up with ideas, we all write proposals, we send them out. We know if we get an answer, if siyayifumana imali izawuba yimali and how are we splitting it or how are we using it. It was never about hayi ngubani ozakwenza umsebenzi uthile. No.
Okay. And then khona masiyeke le sound of bakle bayivile sound of the south kanye ntoni. Ube ne event phamos makukhanya ne.
Kanya isijweva.
Isijweva. Yes. Khawungene nje pha kwisijweva pha.
So it launch isijweva. When Laser and I dropped isijweva, I think last year sometime, we decided to launch it. Launch isijweva was amazing. In Bonise, it was because a lot of people I hadn't even seen like in years came. We packed the place up and we had a lineup here. It was crazy. Madness, Pro X, we had Amakaba, we had a lot of people, Ori Bongs, we brought, it was like going to a hip hop event reunion.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people that I hadn't even seen on stage came through. And we picked it up. I think we had no Tlacha on the lineup. Tlacha came, yeah. We had no Tlacha on the lineup. It was amazing. And then Uprandlu came through, because Nguputwam, of course. And then he was like, Mills, sozen ngapumi for when. It showed me Abantu have so much love for this hip-hop ekutwa yafa.
Okay.
Or ekutwa ifile. A lot of people have so much love for it and they are willing. It was raining, but Abantu came out on a rainy day.
Damn.
And came to the event and made sure they are there and they're not missing out. So that was the launchiest ever, man. Launchiest ever was amazing.
So i-launchiest driver ne, and then xa uye ngokubuyenza wena just nje ndifuna nje kwenzela ubana ngaba, because there is a lot now female artists ezilantukayo ezi I think ziyayenza lento yazo ziphazi out there ngoku ziyayenza leyo yazo. But aziyazi ba ukuwenza event kuthatha ntoni kuzibe kanti yenzeka. So maybe mhlawumbe ungathi gqaba uthi isijweva ukuze sibe kanti sayidibane senza so kwi-artist sathetha ngohlobo sa mhlambe bakhona loo nto ibekwe kwa etafuleni mhlambe okanye.
I'm gonna tell you, brah, putting together an event is not an easy thing. Mnandi artist, like I'm a rapper and putting together an event is not my forte. I don't think it would have been possible without Esis Pazakazi and the Pudding. Because Bona, they've been organizing events and they know what are the logistics for Isin. We've been putting together events with sounds, but it wasn't all trouble. You know, Kausuka crew. And then all of a sudden you're on your own. Now everything admin yako.
Yeah.
Because when you're in a crew, umtu une responsibility yake or has their own thing that they have to do. Now you are literally on your own. Nguwe funeka ufonele artist. Nguwe funeka uchibandi nantoni etafuleni. Because at the same time, you don't want to bring people into your event and then abakwazi nogoduka bathenge nelof yesonga. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Because that's another thing for us as artists. Unzima bra uya ku event ukhuphe kuwe pokotini. And then ubuye endlini uthukwe. Siphelile isonga, uphelile umbane, awunamali. You know what I mean?
Ubuphumile uthi uyokwenza into.
Yeah, so it's a lot of work. We needed a lot of admin, and Esis Pazakazi, you know, the Pudding did the admin. Ngabo who did everything and put everything together. Me and Laser were helping out there and there, but what do you guys need? Okay, snit into etile. Okay, let's do this. Snit into etile, let's do this. And the event came together. And then people came through. You know, and the rest is history.
Wayenza mhlambe ukuye ungaphinde uyenze la event mhlambe ikhonto ozisola ngayo ngoba hayi but izange senze imali mhlambe nophinda ndiyenze ungaphinde uyenze into enjalo.
I'm definitely going to do Elonchius Driver 0.20 because I'm working on another album.
Because leya
yahamba kahle, but, right? Dino but. And it's nice because yay event yam so I can self-critique. Sound got fucked up.
Oh shit.
Because no. No, I wish yaye Kazanzola because that one holds up. No, it sound a venue. The venue, Yase Makukhanya comes with their own sound. And we did go through so checky sound and everything seemed like, you know, mics is charge you and everything. But it doesn't hold up for a lot of hours. You know, it's crazy. Ezinye izinto ndizifunda as I go. It doesn't hold up for a lot of hours. The sound was fine for like maybe 5 hours, 6 hours, something like that. And then, ngela xesha kuba mnandi ngalo kanti qala ba kulate and wonke umuntu lapha and yabo hayo jonga imic azasixelela ba gwani ngani. Hayi gwani ngathi mics. So that is something I would definitely change. And then this is before I knew or understood into yobana you really got to make sure xa usenza i-event noba ushiye kungenayo ne-cent spend imali kwi-sound.
Okay, yeah.
Because you don't want to invite abantu abasuka kude abafana noogxarha into your event, no ProX. Xa befika i-sound ayisipani. I had to MK the Prince. I had people abaziwayo, you know what I mean? And then they get there and I could literally see their hurt was not, and their disappointment was not for them not performing, but it was for me. We understand that when somebody looks at you, it's like, no, it's okay, Mills. Are you okay when? It wasn't for them, it was for me. Because they know how much I've worked so hard to put that together for the sound to do that.
Yeah.
And they really felt like, yo, man, shame on Mills, you know? And I felt like, fuck. You know, we should have had a plan B or something, but it's not something that you think of. You think you sorted. Uyenzile zonke izinto that you need to do. You know, you did sound check, you did everything. You think yonke into is like, but something goes wrong. And then yonke lawo isheka kuwe, because if you remember, the next day, MK the Prince, I think no Mr. P, no Ngoops, called me and Lisa, but we were sleeping. They wanted to do a live video call on Facebook, and then we talk about what went wrong with event and what we can do to fix that for the next event. You know what I mean? What is it that lacks, and then what can we do for the next event? And I really took that into heart. But abantu really care, you know. Otherwise, they wouldn't do that if they didn't care, and they really felt the frustration that I was feeling, because everything went south, brah. Like we live and we learn.
Yeah.
We live and we learn.
Oh yeah, but ukukhulwa ngolo hlobo nyani, because azivelanga nazo ntoni kananele event ka Rashid K, the big one.
Which one is this?
The one in Joburg. The big one, hip hop. Rashid K.
Back to the seat.
Back to the seat.
Yeah.
Yes, back to the seat na ayivelanga yavele yathi boom
yathi senziwe mbola hlobo.
So uthatha elba golungise. Yes, mawubona into ethile like ngehlobo ubona ngalo uyayazi but next time awuzuyenza into ngolhlobo next time. But eyona nto endisoloko ndiyiququzela, but le nto ndithethayo iya kwinto ethi eyona nto ndisoloko ndiyiququzela ebantwini, start something and then from kuyo ke ngoku wena usongeza.
Please send me a message the next day ba ungatyhafi intwana yam.
Yeah.
You know, ungatyhafi, because you had disagrite one bhalela phansi pointers on a text, bro, and I was like, he wrote me pointers ba, A, next time you do like this, B, next time you do like this, because we all learn, you know. You learn. You're an artist, uqala ukhwela stage and perform izinto sezenzekile, now it's your own thing. So next time wenza kanje, you follow these things, and nam dikhona, if you need help, I'm gonna help out, you know. Exactly. I can advise, I can do this. And for me, more than anything, I was like, okay, the event really was a success, because even though into ezithile zange zifele, but we got to learn things. Which is a success, because if we walked out with nothing, kuphela kuthiwa yo event your Mills flop and and then Tina would learn nothing from it, then it was a flop. But if we walked away with something, then the event was a success.
Wow. But ke kwaba iqhubeke kum i-success noba ke kwenzeke ntoni phana pha ke bekuyi-success. Okay, must move up. Kalo siyazama nje nabanye abantu yabo, and ke bayazi abazawuyenza, because there is the no nditsho bazinintsi females ezizayo nazo zifuna uzimela, zifuna zi-launch zazo, zifuna kwezinto ezithile, nto zizokhapha ba into ethile nento ethile funeka siyijonge.
Funeka siyenze njani.
Yes. Now sitshintshile ngoku, izinto zitshintshile ngoku, kukho le wave, kukho le yonke into spaza umculo umsha, and wena uza ngapha kwela xesha laqala le Bluetooth ngoku izinto zitshintshile ngoku. Mhlambe ungaphawula uthini mhlambe kolitshintsho liyenzeka uye wakhawuleza uadapta okanye ke kwanzima kuwe uba ube kanti ngoku kuzabakho ezindlela yoba ngoku kukho ezi digital platform intoni ukusebenzisa uFacebook to market yourself into ezinjalo because benivele nibe wow mhlambe umzekelo kukho umuntu okhuphe ingoma ivele iyofika eEastern Cape without ezi zinto sizithethayo
Izinto ezikhoyo, yeah.
to catch up ke ngokule into yenzekayo wenze njani wena and yakubona ba no Nikkizi no Laser no nivele naphinda navela ngale sound exactly le ikhoyo up ni catch up enjani?
It's not catching up, man. You know, hip hop is a moving train, right? If you listen to hip hop now and hip hop 10 years ago, it's not the same sound. Hip hop needs to evolve.
And
Hip-hop evolves. You have people who really do not want to move with the times.
Okay.
As an artist, you need to evolve. Where you can be Mills the First and abantu bakuve ungena pha bayojonga nguMills lubethayo. But you need to evolve, which means you need to grow. Also, you need to read. Rapper don't read, bro.
Oh. Mhlambe ngubani kani wafuna uread?
You need to read.
Studio. Yeah?
You need to read. Now, Mary J doesn't read.
Akafuna uread Mary J.
Mary J. You need to read. You know what I mean? You need to be informative. You need to know a lot of things. I always say, I can never sit with somebody. I cannot have a conversation about everything. Bruh, we need to talk politics. We need to talk about what's going on in America and what's going on in Afghanistan and what's going on. And you need to know. Xa sithi kuwe uyabhanqa uDonald Trump. Funeka ungene uba yandicaphukisa lento ayenzayo. You understand?
Ubonakala ba uyazimamela indaba uyazifunda
Also, when I say to you, Fondini, they found another pyramid in Egypt. You need to know what I'm talking about. We can't be sitting and talking about iba ibhiya yethu yesibini izawuphuma phi.
Uba ubani
ubani ozawungala.
Hey.
This is why, you know,
work lanto yenziwa ngubani.
So it is easier to write to anything. For example, you can give me any beat, bro. You can give me new school or old school, boom bap or trap.
I'm gonna give you another beat now. For long Twitter. I'm gonna give you I need you to kill that beat.
You understand? I will rap. I'm an MC. I am not a rapper.
Okay.
I'm an MC. When you're an MC,
mhlambe xa unocacisa MC ne rapper ungathini? Just differentiate.
I don't know, and this is my opinion. I don't know uba abanye abantu who rap uba bazithatha njani. But when we're in MC, you are versatile.
Okay.
Noba bangakunika igqom, yangena. Noba wathiwa hayi nansi gospel song. You go in, you know what I mean? Abanye abantu really like to be boxed in the thing of I'm an old school rapper or I'm a spaza rapper. And then I only rap to boom bap beats. And then xa efika uLucy pha endinika Mills ndinale trap beat that I'm like I don't rap in these things. You understand? That's where the problem comes. You cannot say you are a rapper or you rap but unezinto that you don't want to get beats ezithile ongangeni kuzo, which is why I don't have a problem with new school beats, old school beats, whatever. Give me beats, bro, beats.
Yes.
And mna ndizokunika 16 bars kuphela uchuku. You understand? That's how I take myself. I don't literally box myself into bana hayi mna ndinikeni boom bap zodwa, because if you listen to the album Yes Driver, imixile. You have boom bap beats, and then you have new school, you have a variety of a lot of things. And then also the songs nazo don't really talk about, it's not the hayi ngula Mills way to conscious esimaziyo, because a lot of people knew me as a conscious rapper. Right? And then all of a sudden uMills sekengena kwingoma efana ne Sunbuza Bekutheni, you know what I mean? Or efana ne, I have a lot of songs, man, that are like new school. The Kiss with Des Flex and Cubic, and then people are like, oh,
okay,
you know,
now, wow.
I rap in anything. It doesn't matter what you give me, I'm gonna rap in anything. So it needs to evolve. You need to teach yourself to evolve. if you evolve or you move with the times, you can see ngokuba, okay, hip hop is evolving and the new school is coming in, bafake yabi flavor, just like we did. Because nathi safika safake yethu flavor, you know what I mean? Now the new school is coming through with their flavor, and their flavor is really nice and fun, you know what I mean? It's them coping with whatever that is going on in our societies, and they're really trying to put it into music to make it fun, iye kuba depressing, you know what I mean? So we evolve, we move with that.
Wow. Hayi no iyavakala mamela ke masijonge ndifuna ngosokhala sijonge phana kwi social media kubantu abalandukela khona abantu abakubhaleleyo phaya. Ndifuna ubuza ba mhlawumbe wena ngeyiphi yona nto mhlawumbe ocingayo ba mhlawumbe noba ikubambile ngoku yoba because you are very good. Ndikumamele nakulaa ngoma I think ingoma endiqonde hey Mills uyakwazi utshintsha nyani le ngoma ithi ilanga ane inyanga yes nguwe nguLaser ube nguNikkiZ. Wow, what a beautiful song. Wow, that record is very very nice. And then andani noba why mhlambe niyena anayithathela nje anakwazi uba nikwazi ukuba nimarkete nyani to the level uba ingake mhlambe ke noba ke ispine kathathu kayi4 uyabona kwi radio naselanto because iyayideserve la ngoma leya intswempu imixing yayi mastering and everything right. Mhlambe ngicela ba into le ikubambileyo ba mhlambe
I think it's ilando bendithetha of we learn as we go, you know. So I bring a lot of knowledge from sounds into le partnership yam no Laser, right?
Okay.
And then sifunda as we go. When we made music, you know, Laser didn't have things like registration and no. Ibindim ndodwa umntu who's a registered artist and whatsoever, right? So when we made this album, yazi xa ufika studio niyafika nibe excited and then you make music like nenza umculo ni record and nobody really talks about are you registered, brah? You know, we don't have time to until it's time to drop. Then you get to find out about shit. Ubani is not registered. So you need to start over yonke la admin. So it goes back to London. Kwisijweva soqala we were learning. It was be learning curve yethu. Now 0.20 we already know what's happening. So when we dropped Inyanga, abantu who are Inyanga, I'm the only one who was registered as an artist.
And then
NikkiZ not registered.
Okay.
Laser wasn't registered. He is now. And so it was hard to push the song. Then ingomibiwe. You know what I mean? Then ingomibiwe, and then we're sitting there holding our things. Ingomi ikon, and there's nothing we can do about it. So we needed to go through the whole process, and then we shot the video. And then I was like, brah, sizawulinda.
But it's still about registered now.
No. Now things have changed. Okay. No, not on my watch. Not on my watch.
And sit now a bit.
No. Then I was like, no, into sawiyazi sizowulinda for every e-code zenu and all of these things, Risa Sambro, zonke into zenu, sibe on point before we can really put this song out there. But it doesn't mean perform. Must perform? People must love it. Mighty Puma, abantu babe beyithanda, you understand? So that's what went wrong. And then at least in Goku, we're at a point where we can drop the music video. And then we can, you know, put it out there where it needs to be.
Wow. No. That song is dope. That's why I'm gonna.
That's why we need our t-shirt.
Yeah. And now, deserve.
Best song of the year,
yes.
Not too good.
Damn. And then yona ni nenze njani kuyo vele nje na nominated kanye nenze njani push njani.
Kungeni email. We had 5 nominations: best duo, best collaboration, best song of the year. What was us? Best event is Joeva, best album. So it was 5 nominations, and I was like, "Uleza, hi man."
Wow.
You know, I've never. This is like I've never been nominated for Tina Soy 2. It's our first nominations, and it was a huge thing. You know what I mean? So then they invited us to go and perform Kwe Awards, and Dati Kuye Chonga. I think he was also feeling the same thing. It doesn't matter if we come back with them or not. You know what I mean? Or we come back with one, or even the fact that we're nominated means our work is really like making an impact, and abantu bayayibona umsebenzi wethu, and they're really vouching for us. And whoever nominated us, thank you, man. We love you.
Yes,
you know?
yes.
Thank you so much, because we don't know who nominated. And that's an amazing thing, you know. Coming abantu about different, it's the same person, we don't know. But yeah, we came back with best song of the year, man. Yeah. And we brought it home. And that was really like another feeling, you know. And then, you know, the people were like, Suka, you know, it's an award, it doesn't come with money, bro. When people take notice of your work, begi mali ekuqaleni. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Because that is legendary. You just stamped right there, you know, or you planted a seed and now it's gonna grow. That's it, you know. So it was really amazing.
Nah. That's a good one. I think now your music video now ndibukele nayo. Yeah, but I think he push qha kune ngoku.
Yeah, no,
into
into
lekisha
kuthi
push.
into
Otherwise you've got a sound and then in the dope foot, but it's just the pushing.
The initial idea was to drop the video yesterday, the 30th. But then my girl Utu Legit was dropping.
Oh, nampi chance.
Ndathi kuleza, because funeke support yena, right?
Okay.
Funeke support yena qala, because it's also I understand for her how hard it is to put something together. So we can't be dropping the same day. Utu Legit is dropping. Makafumani stage sakhe, enza into yakhe.
Nani
And
nizokwazi.
then nathi si drop, nathi sizokwazi supporter all the way, and then go nathi si drop. You know,
Okay.
it works like that.
Ithini yazi usaphethe la ndebe indala. Yeah, la ndebe indala kwakuqhutywa
works like
njalo.
that,
Yeah, kwakuqhutywa njalo. Xa uzodrop ubani?
Ewe,
So,
you know,
was dropping ngoku.
masimyeke ubani adrophe, afumane iqonga lakhe, afumane ixesha lakhe.
Sometimes unawe ude uthenge nawe pha
Ewe.
just umbonisa uba siyasupporta.
Siyasupporta,
Nansi,
you understand?
siyasupporta.
Brad, do you know how many people who bought East Driver? Because we sold East Driver for
Elaa
100
hlobo
rand.
lamacassette?
Yeah. Elaa hlobo lika Madness. For 100
okay,
bucks.
Okay.
100 bucks ufumane i-album yonke, and we put it in a file and we send it to you. The amount of people that bought East Driver
Yes,
for
yes.
me, I'm like, yo, Leza, I've never made this much money ngomculo.
Ili-richly gold.
Yo, khawume ndiyekuthetha. Andifuna ukuthunyelelwa i-AI lathunga.
Hayi uyaphela loo mali.
Asayitya shema, asayitya.
Nayitya. Akho nix enayenza ngayo nathi.
It was, yeah.
Nathenga ntoni?
Studio equipment.
Hayi ke yabona ke ndithanda abantu abangolu hlobo. Masikhawuleze quickly sibaleke sipha kweziyazo kuthiwa zintoni? Social media ke siyofunda nje phayana. Kamandi ke phayana ubuthethe ke kude kwatsho wena wathi andizawungena kubo, yabo? Andizawungena kubo. Nanku apha ugcina ikhaya. Ugcina ikhaya Mgiqwa uyabuza uthi mna I want to know why was Madness kicked out of that Eyama Grootman song? Was his verse 95% okanye? You know, I was wondering when they say it's 95%, you must know it's wag. Was it wag?
They are trying to put me in trouble. Okay. Umed was not kicked out of Eyama Grootman. What happened is, oh Lord. Eyama Grootman, I wrote it before Nditibane no Laser, right? And then it was supposed to be recorded ku Chili Fly. In fact, the hook was recorded ku Chili Fly. I got to Chili Fly, dafika Umed corner, and then I said, okay, ndinale idea yale ngoma, I need a beat. So ndabavisa hook. And then Med and I started writing Soy Tu on the song, because I was like, it's going to be nice. Uzuqonde I hook ibhalwe ndim no Madness. A lot of people don't know this. I wrote, and then I think the last 2 lines or some lines zezgamed Eyama Grootman. So then we recorded the hook, and then after recording the hook ndamka nayo to go write my verse, and then Nomed azobhala iverse yakhe. And then xa ndifike ndimamela le beat, like it really doesn't do what I needed to do. Like you know, it doesn't work with me ngolu hlobo. So I VN Tafly. Can you make me another beat? You know, or can you fix certain things kule beat, because I feel like it really doesn't give me lanto ndiyikhangelayo. And this song is very personal to me. Eyama Grootman ndibhale ngam. You know what I mean? It's my experience. It's my, you know. So I really needed to do what I needed to do. and then le beat is not doing. Tafly says, okay, cool. So sakwenza lenye beat Mills. I wait. Beat doesn't come. I wait. Beat doesn't come.
Yeah.
I remind him. Taflizi.
Wenzani Rotman?
You know what I mean? Early beat and Utafly is now busy with other albums, other artists. No artists needs most Utafly is record. So then I feel like, okay, I think I recorded it go September, October, November. I met Laser go December.
Okay.
And then I'm like, okay, you know, it's not really doing, it's not doing anything. So I meet Laser. I tell him, you know, dimvise nale beat nale hook blandi record ku Chili Fly, but this is what I wanted to do, and this beat is really not doing what it needs to do. Laser says, I've got a perfect beat for the way.
You met Rotman. Hey, I'm a Rotman. Yes,
So then I hear the beat, and then as I'm like, Rotman, Rotman. I'm like, nansi must le beat ikudala ndikhangela. So then I record the song Kuleza, and I think ela xesha uMed akana phone, because I tried to get in contact with Med so that azofaka ivesi yakhe. But also I'm like, I really don't know how he's going to feel, or now that singer I record ku Chili Fly. But it's my song. I wrote it. You know what I mean? So I record the song. Then we dropped the song as a single, because we dropped it before Used to Ever as a single. And then, does it not cause so much conflict? Because Chili Fly is like, how? You know, how do you... Then, while that is happening, I hear, and I'm not going to say from who, Uba ye Mills, Makrotman ayongo mayako na. Yeah, why? No, kutwa manzo faki verse ku remix. If you remember, I wrote a status ku Facebook ndabateka bonke baningandiqheli Makrotman. If anybody decides to drop a remix ya Makrotman without my approval or my knowledge, shit is gonna hit the fan. Because that is my song. I didn't take it from anybody. I wrote it. And I write to Chili Fly, but how dare you? You know? And then Utafly is like, he comes through, you know, he tries to explain, but I'm like, I'm feeling all sorts of ways. In my head, I'm thinking, is it because I'm a female rapper that ndiqhelwa kakubi? Kuzovele kuthathwa ingoma yami kufakwa abanye abantu. You know, why am I being taken advantage? Because that's how I felt at the time. And the only thing I'm going to do is address this thing. Ndabateka bonke. But ndicela singaqhelani Makrotman. Kamandi niyandazi. Akho mntu endimonqenayo. Akho mntu uzawufaka ivesi yakhe kulaa ngoma without permission yam. In fact, aninayo permission. Akho remix ya Makrotman izakwenziwa.
Otherwise better.
Otherwise, iyawuhlangana. Men to men. And not with my work. You know, I don't fuck around when it comes to my work. So that's what happened. I didn't really kick him out, but izinto were made emva kwam. Then I felt like diyagezeleka. You know what I mean? Diyagezeleka. And people are thinking, but I'm gonna take it sitting down. Bazawufaka abantu engomeni yam njani? Doesn't work like that. You know? So that's what happened.
Okay, but you...
Why 95? But we could.
Okay, yeah, you good. Okay.
But we talked it out. Yeah, ziyangokola kaloku zilungiswe. And I'm not one who holds grudges. Abantu abaninzi bayandazi. If you've had a fight with me or an argument or whatsoever, I'm not going to hold a grudge. I don't hold grudges. You know? I talk it out.
Okay, hey, yabona wasikiwa nalixesha. But I think sizothatha nje asuthatha zonke ezi questions, because now I think sipinde supposed again khona nezinye questions ngoku ezingena ezininzi. I think sizothatha nje mhlambe few, maybe 3 or something.
Let's go.
Alright, masibuze nankomnye uvela pha ngumgang K Vibes.
K Vibes.
Oh, yamazi?
Yeah.
I think umbuzo wokuqala wakhe ingathi usephendulekile uthi how and when Mills became a rapper.
Okay.
I think
okay,
yeah. And then owesibini wakhe wabuza ke ngokuba how the song Greater started. Is there any rapper obhekisa kuyo, or is just dedicated to the haters?
So Greater comes it's not a response. It's an acknowledgement of a diss track that was written for Mnano Laser. but also trying to tell the person who wrote a diss track for us. Oh, that was supposed to be a diss track because it was whack as fuck. You know, it wasn't really a diss track. It was us telling him, "Ba, whatever you feel about us, there ain't nothing you can do.
Damn.
Whatever you feel, tina apo siyakhona siyapha. There's absolutely nothing you can do." You know, because it came from a person we really didn't expect Oba would write something like that.
Awana ngubani lo?
Yo, I.
Ngano menza famous.
It's a rapper from Estrand,
Oh, okay.
where Laser comes from.
All right.
Yeah. So ucreator is a response, not a response to that, but an acknowledgement. Yoba sivile le district yakho work. But here you go. Kamamele ngomuzipholele. You know, it was that.
Yo. Ay. Unazo futhi ezidisa no. Masibambe.
Abantu want to use my name to get up there. Funeke sitye sonke, it's okay.
It's okay. It's
But,
okay.
But don't think I'm going to take it lying down.
All right. Nango omnye umbuzo uvela ku bani? Usteramente. Steramente.
What's that?
Ndicela unibuzele and tell her with hayibo ngumbuzo nalo. I mean like ndicela undibuze. Okay, hayi ngumbuzo lo, sorry.
Oh, it's a comment.
No, ucela ndisimbulisele.
Oh, nimbulisele
okay,
kuwe.
okay.
Ntwana ya.
Hey, ndicela ukuthi ndicela ninibuzele. Uthi ano ndicela ninibulisele and tell her we see and we feel inspired by her boss moves. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Right, must see. I don't know if masingaphinda simbuzo onye umbuzo ngoku because ndiyabona nje uba siyatyiwa lixesha.
Kuthiwe iways alapha zimenza umuntu athethe gqithi. Kwakuthiwe kwenye i-podcast yayiphuma kodwa hayi zeza short zabo ezi. Andifuni ukuthi uMills la short yapha niyazi iglasi yami okulihle lapha phambi kwami.
Hayi no akho short into isemntwini but abantu bayathanda. Hayi into isemntwini uba umuntu ebezixelela uba mna ndizawufika apha ndibaxelele into endifuna baxela kanye ndizawufika okanye umthetho wakhe akawabamba amahashi. Uthini ke? Yeah, but ke kuwe. I think ngokugqibela lo.
Okay.
Yabo uthi lona ngubani ke ngokulona igama lakhe? Okay, uthi lona uAyama.
Oh, Ayama.
Ayama Sira because kuno eyababini ndizama ukwenza Amo. Sira okanye Sira.
Ayama Sira Amo.
Okay. Yamazi fan yakho enkulu. Okay, so Ayama Grootman so inantsikile. So iphendulile because ubuzile umbuzo wakhe wokuqala laba how the song Ayama Grootman stated.
Okay.
Yabo. And then ewesibini uthi what happened between Mills and Chili Fly? Hotspot.
Chili Fly and I, just to get it out there, abantu bayaz, Chili and I are good. Ne? We've had our disagreements ngento ezithile, but we're good. I have so much love for that brother because he was my first producer before anybody ever put me on the mic. Chili Fly was the guy that put me on the mic. So I have so much respect for him as a producer because he's really dope and he's recorded a lot of artists. I really don't have anything bad to say about him because as abantu, you know, zibakhona izinto enivumelana ngazo zibekhona ezo. I am really known to lash out when I feel something. Like I will literally tell you when I feel it. If I feel like uyangezela ngonza xalo uyangezela. But it doesn't mean ba nangomso ndizabe ndihleli kuloo nto yoba uyangezela.
Just ngoko nje.
Ufly, it was this thing yengoma Ayama Grootman or this whole album Yes Driver because was supposed to rekodwe kuye, you know what I mean? But that all changed after the whole thing Ayama Grootman happened and I decided, okay, no, it's fine, you know, I'm taking my work somewhere else. But he came to my place, we sat down, we spoke and we sorted it out. Right now we're really good. So it was just one of those things. And it is in the future or whatsoever because that's what life is, you know what I mean? Sikle industry. That's one thing we really gotta know. But you know people to let go. people to keep. So that bridge is not burnt yet. No, we're good.
Okay, I think masithathe leyo yokugqibela and then
Sure.
mhlambi phofu ingathi ibiyokugqibela kakade. Ewe ingathi ibiyokugqibela kakade. Hey kodwa indeke lento ibhalwe apha andithanda ufunda ke mna. Okay, uthi ke lona ngunkolo nozinga.
Oh, Nozinga.
Nozinga. But hey, Mills, the first, I've been noticing your dedication to music and I'm really impressed with the current state of the industry. It can't be easy. What drives you to keep creating and pushing out hot tracks despite the challenges? And you are definitely making waves.
Whose phone is that?
Yes, that's, okay, let me just declare this one. Yeah.
Nozinga. What drives me? My kids, man. My kids drive me. I'm not going to lie. More than anything, 1 minute you are a woman growing up trying to find your place in the world, and the next you've got 2 pequenins looking at you like you are the whole world, like you are God. Like abantwana bam think I'm rich because they never get to suffer for anything. They get everything that they want. They are not everything that they want. Sometimes I don't give it to them just to teach them, but you can't get everything you want. But they drive me. Brah, if you see me in the eyes of my kids, like when they look at me, I am God.
Yeah.
That on its own, when I feel like, yo, kunzima, and I don't even want to get out of bed, because I do have those days where I don't want to get out of bed. Uba ngathi bayandiva. Ngeni message, hi mommy, how you doing, superstar? That just, for me, I am out of that bed immediately, because to these people I'm a superstar. To these people, I've always wanted ngokundikula to have a role model. My mom used to sing like Waikula, and I wished she really pushed that career. And if she did, she would have been low role model that I wanted. I didn't have. So to them, seeing me travel the world, seeing me on tour in Germany somewhere, seeing me in Namibia somewhere, to them, that's like everything. My mom, it's my mom. And then when I take them to my events, because my son rap, my daughter raps. You know what I mean? And I take them to my events, I take them to the studio, I do everything that it wasn't done for me. And those people drive me. If it's not for them, I don't know who it's for. You know what I mean? Everything that I do, everything, being away most of the year, because I'm away most of the year.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah, no, it's all right.
Let me just...
Balu phone nayo, akayazi basi live.
Yeah, I don't know. Ayinguyanga nomuntu usifuna uba makafone ke lo.
Akayazi basi live, bakayeka ufone.
I need to cancel this call quickly.
What you need?
That's fine, I will cancel.
There you go.
Oh, undoje kwelicala. Okay, yeah, no.
Ungena kwenye.
Okay, let me just switch my Wi-Fi off.
Okay.
All right, let's do
So yeah.
But you are strong. Like you are strong. You are very strong, because I think I saw another story of Sisakho soba, hey bethuna we lost indlu kanje na kanje. Damn, you are very strong, guys.
My house burned down the 31st of December.
Very bad.
This 31st. And it's one of those things as a kubethe emadolweni. Because you don't expect to chelwa yindlu, first of all. And izindlu zethu are not insured because sihlala elokishini. So which means if everything bends, you need to start from scratch. And that really, and I think the most heartbreaking thing is that my son was there when the whole thing happened, because bayaza for December, they stay kokwabo, but bayaza, for holidays. So he was there, and that time dilele, because kuqala umlilo efront and then mnandilele kume back. And so if it wasn't for him telling my neighbor about umama mulele payana, nobody would have thought I'm there. You know what I mean? Now in my head, that trauma, what did it do to him? Because my son is very protective of me. I think it's something that he remembers. And my mom was inside. And we about things like that. And people had to come and take me out. That really, really broke me. But at the same time, I always say, even when something really bad happens to me, the universe is really weird to me. When something bad happens, there's something really good that's about to happen. My house got burnt on the 31st of December. Abantu said chocho. I'm not going to mention names. You know yourself, motherfucker. Said chocho. But a month later, I'm leaving for Namibia. Hello. You know what I mean? I just came back now. I was gone for 2 months.
Yes.
So the universe is like that. It's like, okay, you lost that, here's something bigger. And then we had to basikalele, and I had people, really amazing people, coming to my house. Bezisizinto, izitya, ingubo, impahla. Because I stay with my nieces. Abantwana baka sister wam. Miss Sarah is my sister. So I stay with her kids. And they lost everything. I think 2 months ngela xesha. And we lost everything. Asna in a cent, because everything was spent for December and the 31st of December. And guess what? It happens before Betty's tongue. Wow. Today's Betty's tongue as I slowly party na sinyabili. Because him Chile and
imagine
iche yachisa netonga likameza. You know what that does.
Yo. Hey, ndayazi indaba yotshela ngendatshelwa nam, so that's why I'm going by.
So, that really, I think if that was supposed to bring me down, I always go and say, I've been through worse. If something is coming at me and it's supposed to bring me down, it's not going to work. And when it comes to me, they don't fuck around.
Yeah. Hayi kulunga kwenye. Ukumoshakala kanye kulunga kwenye.
Yeah.
I know ndiyayazi lonto kwaba njalo. Mamela buthe uzasipha enye into pha.
Oh,
play that beat. Play that beat. No, let's give her this one.
At least this is not the tries Dondon. Undize ku podcast ukubulala.
Ukubulala. No. Yakubhalela le.
Undize ku podcast undikhile. Literally.
Let's show bazokubulala le. Okay, I'm gonna play this beat. It's produced by DA's. Let me just play this beat.
It's DA's beat. No, yeah. Play it for me.
I think I'm gonna play 2, and then you win. And then when you decide,
okay,
you just choose one.
I love
of these
DA's beats.
Okay, I'm gonna play this one, and I think this is the. Let me just play now. It's not. Can you open there? Open the line. Send me this one. Maybe, yeah, this is the one.
Okay.
This one. Let me forward a little bit. And then I'm gonna play this one.
First one, let's go.
Okay, first one, let's go. Okay, no, Tina Suzufana no try that. All right, let's play the beat. Let's go. Play the beat. Yep.
Oh, this is nice. The A's of funding is an beat. It was a njala lamfu.
Yeah, the A's of Patala.
Sure. Yeah. This is for that woman that will cry with a smile. She never shows her pain, but she'll hold you till she die. The one who lifts you up when you're down, kind of woman. The always crazy, happy, loving, warm kind of woman. The one who broke her heart when you left her for a fling. The one who raised your kid while you were busy playing king. She never gave up, but you can never make her queen. She deserves better, but you the one that crushed her dream. Sure, you made that sad woman. You made that crazy woman. You made that all the men are the same kind of woman. And if you think about it, you took her from the girl to the dapper girl image. So when a woman gives you silence, you must listen carefully, cause it's not about you, it's the way you made her feel. As she moves on to the one who make her feel, you should be ashamed. You the one that crushed her dream. Yeah.
Damn! I love the voice.
Yes, this is a nice beat, man.
This is a nice beat, ne?
Yo!
It's a beat.
Funny never.
Tofaka nonyumba rapho yadlala. Masivale ngolu hlobo lewe ne. asinalanga lonke but masibulele nje ithuba usiphela wona yabo namhlanje. Yes, ndiyathanda abantu abanjengawe abangaxokiyo abafana nabanye abafana enza ababiza ngoke ngamagama. Umuntu athi uyeza angalenzi.
Abakazi.
Ngokubonakala uba uyityana endala nyani. Yeah.
That's another thing, man. Artists, you know, I wanted to say something. Sinalende stand uyithetha ne when things don't go right. Ndiyathakathwa. We are our worst enemies. Especially when it comes to hip hop industry, Cape Town, ifile. Fuck no. Hip hop right now in Cape Town is alive and it's breathing. The problem is not hip hop, the problem is artists. Respect your craft, respect what you do, respect the people that give you the chance, and respect time. Lento yeni yofika kwi-events, umuntu afike ebusuku kwi-event eqale ngo-5 afike kwi-event ngo-9 yena afuna ukuperforma ahambe. That is not respecting your craft. That is not respecting the people. We are our worst enemies. Samane sisithi siyathakathwa bra. Samane sithi hayi mama se next door akanifuni. It's not that uyazithakatha wena funeka umesipilini uthi I am my worst enemy. That's what's happening. That's what's happening with these people that we're not going to mention.
Okay. Ngamagqwirha inhliziyo zabo. Alright. Masiphume kanjalo. Just nje kuchazela abantu bangakufumana phi and then sihambe ke ngoba.
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, zonke, Mills the First, Mills abeno Z because ngomkhulu wamanika, you know what I mean? Mills abeno Z, Mills the First everywhere.
Tango Mills, siphuma kanjalo.
That's right.
Welcome to the biggest podcast in the world. Yeah. Me say dive into the rhythm, feel the new wave vibe. Yeah. Where fresh thoughts and voices come alive. Yeah. From deep conversations to the latest trends. Yeah. Won't you join us on this journey where the wave never ends? It's inspirational. Yeah. Educationally, conversationally, and intellectually, the gold and the best in the game. Yeah, tell me how you catching the wave. Yeah, it's a new wave. Yeah, it's a new wave. It's inspirationally, educationally, conversationally, and intellectually. The best and the gold in the game. Yeah. Tell me how you catching the wave. Yeah. It's a new wave. Yeah.